we're going to talk about being able to see older revisions of a page. And sometimes this has to happen to where a page is edited and something happens to where the information is incorrect or the photo is incorrect. And going back on a revision allows you to be able to quickly re-update the page to where you can get the old version very quickly and easily. And so, say we're on the preoperative guide for adult patients, and there's some issues with it, and you're thinking, maybe that last version was better. And so what you'll do is you go to the edit page option, and what you'll see here is the link for see older revisions, and so it'll take you to a page that will show you a list of all the revisions. As you can see, this page was first created back in November of 2008. It has been modified several times since by a couple people, looks like us, and then a few people that are in your organization. And so what you can do here is you can go all the way back and you actually make the very first one active if you'd like to. I wouldn't recommend that just because that's pretty far back. But what you can do is like, okay, let's see, what did this one look like? This may have been the one that was correct. And so you can click the view link. And all this does is allow you to view the page at that point. It doesn't publish it. It doesn't make it active or anything. It just shows you what it looked like. And say, that looked kind of odd. I don't like that one. So instead you go to say maybe you want to view this one. That maybe one had the right information on it. It's like, oh yeah, we're pretty close. I think we'll do that revision there. And so just go ahead and close that window and click Make Active. Now for purposes of this being a live site, I'm not going to actually do that at this point, but let me tell you what happens. So if I clicked on this Make Active, this page would now replace this page. So they would kind of reverse spots. This page would now be active, but it would not be published to the live server yet. And so what you'd have to do is, once you make it active, you'd go to the Manage page, or you could go to the Assign page, and you need to assign it to somebody. That could probably be yourself or somebody else in the organization. Assign it, just like you assign the editor and writer, and then go through that whole process of assigning, editing, and then publishing the page. And then only once you publish the page will that old revision now be active, replacing the page, the most recent page. So that's how you do revisions on the site. Very rarely do you have to do it, but it's just something we thought would be useful in regards to keeping your site up to date.